So hello everyone, my name is Jermichael Galope and this is my week 8 assessment. So number 1, check the range and range ring of the radar appropriate to the prevailing circumstances. So indicates current range. Select the plus sign or negative sign for 0.25 nautical mile to 96 nautical mile option. Set range to 3 nautical mile. So in upper left side, you see the range of nautical mile. Just click the plus sign and click on it to until you see the 3 nautical mile. So number 2, provide a relative display north up mode and set it in relative motion. So north up is an azimuth stabilized presentation in which north on the bearing scale remains fixed vertically above the CCRP. The heading line points from the CCRP to own ships reference heading on the bearing scale, and the bearing of the target and the display is usually measured from north. Such a bearing is common referred to as a true bearing when the heading reference input comes from a gyro aligned with the true north. North up mode is advantage for comparison with the paper charts, which usually have a north reference. So number 3, turn on the guard ring. So turn on the guard ring, go to the menu and click the auto zones and set the range 1 and range 2, and you can set your alarm and it will going to be like this. And once the target enter the zone, the alarm will sound. And number 4, adjust the sector to effective bearing on port and starboard. So click the EBL1 and EBL2. You can now set the plus or negative sign 90 degrees. Number 5, adjust the borders to effective range forward of the vessels. So you able to see area ahead of your ships, and you will be able to see the upcoming targets to prevent collision. So number 6, derive information of acquired target. So first thing to do, select the target. After the selecting the target, you can now see the information. So go to the menu and click the target, the track target, and you will now see the information of the acquired target. Example, here the name of the target is the Tempest. The range is 1.75 nautical mile and the bearing is 0.99.8 degrees. So number 7, determine the CPA and TCPA of the target from the data. So go to the menu, click the target settings and set CPA and TCPA limits. So number 8, assess the threat of collision by vectors. So click the vectors button. You see the 12 minutes, but the time of course is going to approach 30 minutes. So the vectors is good. I think you can avoid the collision. And number 9, demonstrate past position of track target. In the low right side, you see the past position. Click the past position and it will indicate the target past velocity. So number 10, monitor an acquired target if it may be lost or if its echo fades temporarily. So if you monitor the acquired target and its echo fades temporarily, You can call the ships to ship loss. And number 11, check the circumstances leading to the target swap. And number 12, observe if any the effect of target swap of on display data. Number 13, determine if there is a delay in the display or process ARPA data after target accusation. So after the target accusation, you will delay. If it's not moving, then it's delay. So it means the signals is not good. If there are storm, of course the storm will affect the signal. So number 14, turn on trial maneuver and monitor the delay in the display of new data when the target ship maneuvers. So after turning the trial maneuvers, monitor your target if there is a delay. So that's all. Thank you for watching.